Hey there, amazing friends! Get ready for a thrilling adventure in the learning fun zone, where every day brings a new opportunity to learn and have a blast.
Hello, young explorers. Are you curious about the incredible world of Scratch Junior? In this video, we will unveil the magic of Scratch Junior and why it's perfect tool for your child's creative journey. You will discover how Scratch Junior helps kids bring their imaginations to life, learn problem solving, and have a blast along the way. Let's dive into the enchanting world of creativity, fun, and learning together. Hey there, all you young creators. Today we have got something super exciting to share with you. It's called Scratch Junior and it's all about learning to code while having lots of fun. So, what's Scratch Junior? It's like a magical playground on your tablet or computer where you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Scratch Junior is a powerful tool for children to cultivate creativity, problem solving skills, and computational skills. With this coding platform, young minds can create imaginative projects and bring their stories and games to life. Scratch Junior is all about learning by doing. You can learn to code by creating and playing with your own projects. It's like a fun puzzle that you get to solve. What about problem solving? You know what? It has even puzzles and challenges that make you think and solve problems, not just in coding but also in life. And the best part, you're not limited to anything. Your imagination is your only limit. You can create whatever you can dream up to. Now, Scratch Junior is designed to teach you important things like computational thinking, problem solving, and basic coding. It's like a secret code that helps you understand the digital world better. But wait, there's more. Scratch Junior is not just about you. You can share your projects with others and see what they are working on. You can learn from them and maybe even work together. Scratch Junior is not just about fun, it's also super educational. You can learn digital skills, critical thinking, and problem solving all while having a blast. Isn't it interesting? So, teachers love using Scratch Junior in classrooms to help kids to learn coding and express their creativity. It's like turning your school into a coding playground. With Scratch Junior, you can become a critical thinker, someone who can analyze problems and come up with creative solutions. And don't forget those problem solving skills. You will learn how to tackle challenges in unique and imaginative ways. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Scratch Junior, where learning to code is a blast, and start creating your own stories, games, and animations now. Now, let us see a sample project.
Hey.
So, to start your own coding adventure, click in the links below and start your coding journey with Scratch Junior. Have an awesome time and see you all soon.
Hey, awesome coders! If you're having a blast, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our cool coding adventures. Just click that subscribe button and ring the bell. Keep learning, keep coding, and always have tons of fun.